Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all are fine by the grace of Allah. I am Shahinur Afroz, teacher of class 5, sector 7. Today I will discuss chapter 5, page number 110 and 111. Our topic is Ideals of Great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Identity of Other Prophets. Student, last day I have discussed Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's birth and family, his childhood and youth. Today I will start from page 110. Students, from these two pages, today I will discuss about childhood and youth, incident of placing Hazrat Aswad, about taking over Khadija's business and marriage. And I will discuss some creative short questions and one broad questions of your book exercise and one creative broad question also. All the students are requested to open book page number 110 and all of you take your pencil for giving underline which are very important for the filling the blanks and short question. Students, page number 110. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam returned back to his mother Amina's lap. Mother Amina reared him with love and affection. His mother died when he was 6 years old. Give underline for the short question. He became orphan. Then he was reared up by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib. His grandfather also died when he was 8 years old. Give underline for the short question. Finally, he was growing up under the care of uncle Abu Talib. The financial condition of Abu Talib was not good. Young Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was hardworking. He did not like to remain as burden of any other. He helped his insolvent uncle's family in various ways. For additional income of the family, he worked with the cowboys and looked after goats and sheep. He was a model boy for all other cowboys. Give underline. He maintained cordial, friendly relations with them. He played the role of a justice in case of any quarrel among cowboys. He helped his uncle in business also. Give underline. Once he went to Syria with his uncle. Give underline. There he met one Christian clergyman. Clergyman means padri. His name was Bahira. Students, from next line you have to give bracket for the short question number 1. Short question number 1 is, what was the comment made by the priest Bahira about our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? He termed him as an extraordinary boy and predicted that he would be the last prophet of Allah. Up to this, you have to write for the short question number 1 of your book exercise. He also warned Abu Talib to be very cautious about Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam because enemies might harm him. After his return to Syria, young Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam became shocked to witness the horrifying sight of Fizar war. Gambling in Okas Fair was the root cause of this war. Give underline, very important. But Quraysh tribe imposed this war on the Quraysh tribe. This war continued for 5 years. Give underline. Many people died and many people were injured. That's why this war was called the War of Injustice or Harbul Fizar. Give underline. Question will come. What is the meaning of Harbul Fizar? Harbul Fizar means War of Injustice. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam became very much shocked to see the horrifying sight of the war in Syria. He became restless. From next line, you have to give bracket for the short question number 2. Short question number 2 is, what was the name of the organization created by our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam at his youth? That time you have to write From here, he formed an organization named Hilful Fuzul to establish peace in Syria. He was successful in achieving peace and harmony among people. For his praiseworthy social works, for his truthfulness, he was conferred the title of As-Sadiq or Al-Amin, meaning faithful. Give underline. Question may come. What is the meaning of Al-Amin or As-Sadiq? That time you have to write As-Sadiq or Al-Amin means faithful. People started to deposit wealth and properties to Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He kept their money and wealth in his custody as amanat. Last two lines are very important. Give underline. Students, next page I will show one picture. Do you know what is this? This is the image of Hazre Aswad, the black stone. It is kept in the eastern corner of Kaaba. It is a stone from heaven. Today I will discuss how did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam set the Hazre Aswad on the wall of Kaaba. Page number 111. Placing Hazre Aswad. The Quraysh planned to renovate the old Kaaba built long ago. As planned, they renovate old Kaaba building, but a serious conflict among different tribes arose. Which tribe will place the Hazre Aswad on the walls of Kaaba? Each tribe claimed this to get the honor of placing the black stone. Tension blared up among them. War situation was evident. The dispute remained unsolved. At last it was decided as proposed by the oldest leader of the tribe, Umayyah bin Muzira. Give underline that oldest leader name. That one who will enter first into Kaaba next morning, he would place the Hazre Aswad. In the following morning, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered into Kaaba first. All have seen him to be the first man to enter into Kaaba. Being overjoyed, all cried aloud, Al-Amin is coming. We are pleased with him. Right decision will come out. As decided, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam spread a bed sheet. Then he himself put the Hazre Aswad in the middle of it. He asked all tribal leaders to catch the corners of the bed sheet. They carried the Hazre Aswad together in proper place. Then Al-Amin himself placed the stone on the wall. Give underline for the short question. Students, this line is the answer of short question number 3 of your book exercise. Where was the Hazre Aswad placed? Hazre Aswad placed on the wall of Kaaba. All were saved from a definite war. All were glad to raise the stone. It is now understood that if wise and impartial decision is taken in times of emergency, peace and discipline is established in the society. Society can be saved from unwanted, unavoidable conflict. Next topic. Taking over Khadija's business and marriage. There was a rich, noble and wise lady in Arab. Give underline. Her name was Khadija. If question will come, who was Khadija? That time you have to write Khadija was a rich, noble and wise lady in Arab. She was searching a faithful, wise man to look after her business. She liked Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and handed over the business to him. Give underline. She heard the good name of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam having excellent moral character. Give underline. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back to Makkah after making a huge profit. At this, Khadija became very pleased. Very important, these two lines for the unseen short question. Seeing efficiency and truthfulness of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she proposed to marry Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Give underline. The guardian of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abu Talib, agreed and arranged all. Give underline. Very important. Students, up to this today's discussion. Students, from these two pages, I will tell some difficult words. First one, insolvent, bankrupt, praiseworthy, good, renovated, rebuilt, efficiency, ability. Students, next I will discuss broad question number 3 of your book exercise. Your question is, what are the objectives of the peace organization? Answer. After his return to Syria, young Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam became shocked to witness the horrifying sight of Fizr war. He became restless. He formed an organization named Hilful Fuzul to establish peace in Syria. The objectives of the peace organization are given below. Number 1, to nurse the sick. Number 2, to prevent the oppressor. Oppressor means dictator. Number 3, to help the oppressed. Oppressed means persecuted. Number 4, to establish peace. Number 5, to develop the society. Students, now I will tell some short question of your book exercise. Already I have marked in your book. Number 1, what was the comment made by the priest Bohira about Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Page number 110. Already I have marked. Number 2, what was the name of the organization created by our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at his Siyar? What was the organization name? That organization name was Hilful Fuzul. And number 3, where was the Hazre Aswad placed? Hazre Aswad placed on the wall of Kaaba. Students, now all of you open your classwork copy. Classwork now 5. Here I have given 6 creative short questions. I hope all of you can write these 6 creative short questions from your book. Number 1, how old was Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam when his mother died? Number 2, what was the root cause of Fizr war? Number 3, for how many years did the Fizr war continue? Number 4, what was the meaning of As-Sadiq? Number 5, who was Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anhu? Number 6, why did Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anhu become pleased with the great Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Students, now I will give homework. Your today's homework is learn page 110 and 111, read properly, and learn short question number 1, 2 and 3, and broad question number 3 of your book exercise from chapter 5, and learn and write one creative broad question. Already I have discussed. What is Hazre Aswad? How did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam set the Hazre Aswad on the wall of Kaaba? So that's all for today. I hope you will study hard. Inshallah, next class again we will meet. Take care yourself and best of luck. Thank you and stay at home.